Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.8% in the last session. Stochastic has moved sharply into the negative area. Amazon stock has added 2% in the last two sessions. Stochastic is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 1% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator transitioned into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 1.6% in the last session. Stochastic has shifted sharply into the negative area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Beijing's clampdown on its most powerful internet firms is clouding the prospects for Tencent Holdings Limited and its $120 billion financial services operation, just as it's casting around for new sources of growth. Shares slipped from a one-year peak as a wave of coronavirus infections, a fresh lockdown in Germany, and U.S. and European sanctions over China combined to curb risk appetite worldwide. British Finance Minister Rishi Sunak feels that reform of the international tax system to reflect the digital world was possible through the cooperation of major world economies.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The UK's Market Services PMI will be released at 9:30 GMT. UK's Consumer Price Index at 700 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 GMT. The French market manufacturing PMI at 8:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.